Bawal yan.
No worries, I didn't really need that right now.
Yan, hindi siya kailangan yan. Papatayin kita. Uy, ano yan? Ano yan? Ba't may ganyan? Kumpasin kaya kata. Kumpasin. Kumutak. Ano yan? Bumba.
Feel free, it's not a big deal.
Maganto ka ha. Uy, huwag ka tutulog-tulog. Yan na to. Bawal yan dito kaya dapat umalis ka na.
A razor, huh? Steady hands, please. Why would you do that?
Alis dito.
What is that?
Yan to. Ito ay para umalis ka na.
Ouchie!
Yan, alis.
That was not... I am gonna mess you up, bro.
Alis.
You've just made the worst move of yours. This place clearly lacks standards.
Labang ka. Putik. Labang ka pa. Nang sombrero
Yeah,
mo.
sure. Help yourself, dummy.
O, yun dyan. Yan. Tapos.
Took you long enough to notice that, genius. Hey, I don't recall
Oh,
asking
may
for a
natago.
wardrobe change, genius.
Tapon.
Unbelievable. I'm
Ito.
not dealing with this level of stupidity.
O, yun na yan. Tago ka pa na kung ano-ano dito. Umalis ka na dito. Alis ka na.
What do you
Alis.
need that for? You're going to do that again, I dare you! So this is how you treat me. Wow, scrounging for pennies, are we?
Helmet. Bawal yan. Ba't ka naka-helmet?
I've been waiting patiently and hope you'll consider giving me that green stamp.
Green? Ito? Rule. Oh my goodness.
Anything for you. I'm glad I could assist.
Kalbo. Uwi na to.
Cash money.
Uwi na nito.
Penny saved, penny earned.
Ano yan?
Cash money. Penny saved, penny earned. Cash money. You are a natural businessman.
Yeah.
Penny saved, penny earned. Cash money.
Bawal dito ay ano. Ito bawal.
Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off.
Sale.
You are a natural businessman. You must
Bawal
have a
yan
good
lahat.
reason for this. I trust you. Hope you got a good price for it.
Kita ko dito in.
I'm happy to share. It's all yours. Cash money.
Pwede ka naman pumasok. Dito ay tingnan mo natin kung hindi ka lasing. Ito. Ito.
I'm not sure how that can be helpful.
Hindi yan. Mali. Ito.
Cool gadget. Hope it helps you out.
Pwede ka nang pumasok. Ginagawa mo dyan. Oy.
That was surprisingly painful.
Okay. Sorry.
Am I getting in?
Yeah. Hindi ka na pumasok.
Thanks again.
Bilis na. Next. Sino pa? Pasok. Bilisan mo. Ano mo to?
Pick that up with confidence.
Your approval with that green stamp would truly make my night unforgettable.
Sabi mo ha. Ano pa sabi mo? Ay, hindi pala yun, guys.
I guess I needed some rest. Thanks for that forced break.
Rest? You want
That
to
was
rest?
so uncalled for.
Dahil mo sinasabi, kaya ngayon nakapasok. Ang rules naman dito ay walang salamin. So wala ka naman salamin, kaya pwede ka na umalis. Bago ako umalis, ibigay mo na sa akin to. Kikita ako dito.
No problem.
Sa
I
akin
wasn't using it anyway.
yan. Kikita ako dito, kaya manahimik ka.
I'm happy to share. It's all yours.
Yan, pwede ka na pumasok. Pwede ka na
Do
pumasok.
that again, I dare you. You think this is funny? You'll pay for that. You'll be hearing from my lawyer.
Dami sinasabi. Ayaw mo pa, pinapapasok na kita pero ayaw mo pa, galit ka pa. Kaya ngayon,
That is not useful, idiot.
yung idiot ha. Alis. Alis.
That's it. I'm done. You'll hear about this. I'd say I'm surprised, but this place clearly lacks stand. You want a
Oo na,
pathetic
lacks.
decision. Enjoy your mediocre crown.
Alis. Anong sasabi? Usit ka. Alis.
I heard this is the place to be. Could I earn
Bawal ang VIP. Bawal. Kita mo yung mukha mo. Bawal yan. Bawal yan dito. Alis. 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 Alis.
Thanks for being polite about it.
Hindi nga pwede.
Appreciate that.
Ha? Alis. Pasok. Oh, bawal. Ano yan? Ba't may baril ka?
Patiently, and hope you'll consider giving me that
Anong gusto mo ha?
green stamp.
Bawal yung baril. Ako na yung baril mo.
Feel free. It's
Bawal yung baril. Ako na yung baril mo. Ano yung baril? Ako na yung baril. Baril. Baril.
I hope it helps.
Ganyan. Kailangan mo mag-ahit.
A razor, huh?
May eraser. Pang-ahit to. Hindi to eraser. Tanga ka ba ha? Use it. Use it. Use it. Use it. Yeah. Perfect. Alis. 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 Di ka pwede. Bawal yung baril. So may baril ka pero wala ka sumbiro kaya bawal ka pa din. Alis ka na dito pare.
What do you have there?
Yan. Dito. 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 Tapit. Tapit.
Whoa. That was unexpected.
Yan. Alis.
I am gonna mess you up, bro. Your judgment is laughably poor.
Alis.
This will not end well for you,
Tapos
trust
na.
me.
Dahil mo sinasabi. Panatang kita eh. Ha? Pasok. Pasok. Pasok ka na sunod. Bagal mo. Bariling kita ha. Oh, bawal yung nakasombrero. Wala kang sombrero. Pero ba't may ganyan ka sa bunganga ha?
Anything for you? I'm glad I could assist.
Gate ka pa. Banatang kita dyan. Baho ng bunganga mo. Kailangan mo na maglinis ng bunganga. Linis natin ang bunganga mo.
What is that?
Palinis.
That would help me cool off.
Linis natin ang bunganga mo. Yan. Tapos basa natin
I'm
yan.
interested to see what you do with that.
Pwede ka na pumasok. Pwede ka na pumasok.
Am I getting in?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. You can get in.
Nice.
Alis. Alis. Ayaw mo alis.
Whoa, that was a rough nap.
Yeah. Yeah, come on dito.
Oh yeah, I guess I am getting in.
Yes. You can get in. Akin news. Hindi daw pwede kaya ayaw gumana kaya ito.
What do you have? What? I respect your call. I'll try another time.
Alis.
What did I do to deserve this?
Sinasabi ka? So, dito muna natin guys tapusin ang video.
Come inside.